For Nyamisha, I'm someone I'm Skbeatz Records. Mommy, behind the scenes and exclusive interviews with musicians right here in Ghana. Anyway, Jimo, Drama of 2024. Now, I real summer is in the same so from my boy in Interno. My program Langasano is on hold. But then, Sweet Music for say, yeah, do me point. So not today, they will still continue with the program because some of the guest artists are mobile and won't perform here. So they are still arranging the instruments. They're about to start or continue with the program. So I have one of the organizers here. I'm named Betuchon Komoka Krebi. So behind the scenes exclusive interview. This is your first time watching. Get to know that I bring you the behind the scenes exclusive interviews with musicians that you love or you want to know more about. Drama of 2024. Senior.
Yes, sir.
Some want to know what you do in Sweet Music and your full name.
Okay, so my name is Isaac Abwaje, more Tema branch, Sweet Music. Yeah, and then I just came for Drum of 2024.
Yeah. So I came here earlier doing a sound check, and that was around 5, and if here around 6. So after the sound check, after 4 years sound check, na Paul Dry Bones concerts are happening live at stadium. Okay. So I started buying so I thought say be come up.
No,
but the buy no as most name and people want to understand why. And the instruments, machines, and to the steps say be a forts be back home. So they're heavy.
No, because as you can see, the audience are still here, and we can't just close just like that, and they are expecting more from us. So we are trying our possible best to set up. As you can see, the tech guys are still working on the things. So rain or shine, you are still here.
Yeah. So far, Nipa Dodo Sena are performing. Okay, and so more performing.
Okay, so we have Dave Jazzy on standby.
Dave Jazzy.
Yeah, we have Emmanuel P. And then the band. Okay. We have Paco. And then the band on standby. We have Fra.
The Fra.
Yeah, and then Bismarck. Yeah, Bismarck.
Okay, so more and performing. I'm sure program is say about around 10:30. You think say I'm gonna be performing by the end of the day?
Yes, we are here. No matter what. It's 12 a.m. crying here because as you can see, the crowd are still here. If I come they are, then that one day we can close. But as they are here, we will do our best. Yeah, we'll do our best.
Within the Samsung can come here, Skbeatz Records behind the scenes and exclusive interviews. What is Sweet Music? In case so people saw reach out, how can a person reach out to you?
Okay, so in Kumasi, Amakum. Just after the Polytechnic, Cape Poly, your shop war, Oba Achimota, so across Oba Achimota, your Achimota Mall. Just adjacent, just close. Oba Temaswa, your Stargas, along the Obinim Road. We have a branch in Sunyane, we have a branch in Takrade, and then we have a new branch which will be in Tamale. We will open it just soon. Yeah, so maybe we could be Sweet Music. You can reach us on our numbers. You can shop online.
Okay. On Instagram, the name is
Sweet Music.
Now, music is
MUZIC.
GH. Yeah. On Facebook, Instagram, any other social media.
Yeah.
See, minimum time I watch a video but they said the Ebra kind. That means that Sweet Music come more door and all their music lovers and followers. That's why they are taking the risk to make sure say they are planning some of the money but
sure.
But you didn't
be Isaac Abwaje.
And you're a drummer or you used to play?
So I play, I do sound.
I know people saw Rachel personally what tema?
Yes. My office was tema.
Within the Samsung S to the K to the BATZ. In case of a reach out to me, my number is 0248290798. So enjoy the rest of the video. Behind my camera is Skbeatz Pianos. God bless you. Bye bye. Please. To know the new update for Drum of 2024.
Okay, so due to the situation beyond our control, And then we have the likes of our legend, Hako, the band, Nyamiad Mochna, Dave Jazzy, so by performing Ochna. And then our main act, Fra, band, Nyamiad Mochna, so maybe performing. And then we have other bands that will be joining tomorrow. So tomorrow morning at SG Mall, 9 a.m. sharp, we'll be streaming and around, so we are all welcome. So God willing, tomorrow morning, the show still continues.
Okay, so online, Facebook.
Online, okay, so online on Facebook, Drum Off, Sweet Music. You can follow all our social media handles, Sweet Music, GH, yeah, on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube as well. Yeah, all right, welcome.
Sorry. Pacho, you just say, bands now, you're going to so around that, Pacho, Mumbai, said the way I'll be able to in the sound check, Pacho. Obviously, so around and we will be a native African, keep on.